Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So let's just say you're a cleaning business startup. You're just getting off the ground. Here's 3 tips. Number 1, keep it simple. Number 2, keep it convenient. And number 3, keep it cookie cutter. And I'll explain that one in just a second. First of all, keep it simple. One of the main things you're going to want to do is get places to clean. Well, certainly we can create targeted marketing lists and create marketing pieces to go out, and that can be terrific. But don't forget one of the most powerful ways to get business, especially when you're first getting started, and that is your warm market. Your family, your friends, people you know from different activities. If you tell them and share with them what you're trying to accomplish, that you're getting into cleaning business, they may be willing to point you in the right direction of some places that might be looking for a cleaning service. It can be very helpful. Number 2, keep it convenient. You might think to yourself at first, well, every job, every building, they're all the same. I just want them all. Well, you may just not want them all at first, because let's say you have, you pick up a 2-day-a-week account, but it's an hour and a half away, and it has to be cleaned after 10 o'clock at night. Then you pick up a 3-day-a-week account that's in the other direction an hour, and that has to be cleaned in the morning from 6 to 9 a.m. Well, that can become inconvenient and it can burn you out pretty quick, especially in the beginning. So you may want to try to figure out what would be most convenient to get started. So let's say you like to clean offices with, maybe in the evening from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night. So maybe you target all the buildings that fall into that, medical offices, dental, daycare, whatever you think can fall into that. And you start working those buildings. And you try to get those to start to be cleaned part-time in the early evening. Now, not only can you clean them and maybe go from one account to another, you can hire a cleaner or cleaners eventually to start helping you. And they also will be nearby and you can stop in and check on those accounts. So convenience makes a big difference. And the last thing is cookie cutter. What do I mean there? Trying to keep it scalable. One of the things that can help the most is software. We offer software, but you don't have to use ours. It would be great if you did. But software, no matter who you get it from, if it's a good fit for you, it's a software that can help you manage your business in a scalable cookie cutter way, meaning that you handle every new employee, every timekeeping, the scheduling, the timekeeping, the payroll, the checklist. You do it all the same, and software can help you keep that organized, especially today. So those are the 3 tips. Cleaning business startup, keep it simple, keep it convenient, and keep it cookie cutter. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.